Here we go. This is, I forgot the name now, Energus. It's the second to last roller coaster of this day, or we will see if we can do the other one, because the park is closing in like 10 minutes. I have to say, this looks quite fun. And on your right you can see Hyperion. Fantastic, or really fun hypercoaster. Here we go, let's see. Woohoo! Ah, it's kind of forceful, I like this. You can see that Sarah is not next to me, she's in the front, you can see her. You see the Coaster Stop logo on her back there. Great on a POV, of course. Woohoo! That's a really fun roller coaster.